The hardest part is not making an airbrush. It's making every single one perform exactly the same. Creators don't want perfect performance once in a while. They want performance and precision they can rely on every single time. We've gathered extensive feedback from creators worldwide, and every piece of input has guided this new iteration of the AVENTUS line. Every refinement on AVENTUS II embodies the precision, engineering, and production benchmarks of our revamped workflow. That's why we upgraded our core manufacturing system. Our production facility brings together 55 citizen high-precision Swiss-type CNC machines, automated systems and dedicated engineering and production teams under one standardized manufacturing system. Covering 2,000 square meters, connected through integrated ERP, MES, and AGV management systems, every stage of production is continuously monitored and optimized. During product development, we explore multiple structural solutions, build prototypes, and conduct repeated testing to find the optimal design. We tested more than 100 different versions. Every new iteration means remaking dozens of test samples from scratch. It took weeks, but we found the optimal configurations. One of the biggest upgrades focuses on the nozzle system. We redesigned the stainless steel nozzle cap and further optimized the precision between the nozzle and nozzle cap. Especially for the quick release structure, improved concentricity delivers more consistent airflow, more even atomization, and more reliable detail control. During development, we tested multiple spring materials while continuously refining key spring parameters, including wire diameter and preload. After extensive testing of trigger pressure, spring response, and overall operation feel, we finalized the current spring setup for smoother actuation, smoother return, and more consistent control. The middle section and rear body now feature aluminum alloy anodizing, combined with 220 grit sandblasting and polishing process, creating a finer surface texture and a more refined finish. We also upgraded the electroplating process through more stable plating solutions and tighter process control, improving surface gloss and corrosion resistance. We raised our QC standards to an entirely new level. All incoming materials must pass inspections covering dimensions, material quality, and surface condition. During production, technicians perform first piece verification, in-process inspections, and sampling checks throughout manufacturing. Every component goes through strict individual inspection. This includes 2 real spray performance tests, where spray pattern, atomization performance, and air tightness are verified against our standards. If it doesn't pass, it doesn't ship. Every airbrush must pass air tightness testing and real spray performance tests before moving to the next stage. At the final stage, every package goes through one last verification process. We check packaging, labels, and production batches, and confirm all accessories are fully included, ensuring every product reaches its owner complete, verified, and ready to create. Our new equipment, new quality standards, and new manufacturing processes are fully applied across our entire product line. The AVENTUS airbrush is one of the finest results from this continuous system upgrade. The entire process is controlled through 4 critical checkpoints: IQC, incoming quality control; IPQC, in-process quality control; FQC, final quality control; OQC, outgoing quality control. Every improvement you've just seen serves one purpose: to give creators a tool they can trust, project after project. Because true precision isn't defined by a single perfect result. It's about delivering the same confidence, control, and consistency every time you create. Every defective product we eliminated builds our quality control system. Higher precision, greater consistency, more reliable performance. From the finest details to the biggest projects, AVENTUS II is built to help creators bring every vision to life. Control exists in every standard we define before production even begins. It is built into every step from the very start of production. This is what we mean by controlled precision.